Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. Lenovo's Legion 918 stands as one of the most ambitious flagship gaming laptops of the year, demonstrating Lenovo's intent to dominate the premium performance category through sheer power, advanced cooling, and a design that pushes beyond conventional limits. Equipped with NVIDIA's RTX 5090 laptop GPU, an 18-inch mini LED display option, a hybrid cooling system, and Intel's top-tier Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, this machine is built for gamers and creators who demand uncompromising performance and long-term stability. The exterior design immediately sets the tone for what Lenovo aims to deliver: a robust, premium build, featuring a textured matte lid that resists fingerprints, while giving the laptop a distinctive high-end presence. At 3.5 kilograms, it is heavier than rivals like the Strix Scar 18 or Blade 18, but still noticeably lighter than massive systems such as the Alienware Area 5118, which approaches 4.2 kg. The 2.8 cm chassis height matches offerings like the Blade 18 and contributes to a stable, rigid feel that inspires confidence during transport or intense desk use. The hinge opens a full 180 degrees, which is surprisingly useful for sharing content or adjusting viewing angles in tight spaces. Lenovo equips the Legion 918 with a comprehensive port selection that satisfies professional and gaming workflows. Wireless performance sees improvements over the RTX 5080 model. Though the SD card reader operates slower than expected, the laptop retains a solid 5-megapixels e-shutter webcam, providing clear meeting and streaming quality. Internal access, however, remains slightly inconvenient. Despite the 11 Phillips screws being easy to remove, the bottom panel fits tightly enough to require careful prying. The keyboard offers excellent tactility even without mechanical switches, delivering satisfying key response, balanced travel depth, and a layout optimized for gaming with oversized arrow keys. Per-key RGB lighting adds a dramatic visual touch. The touchpad, measuring 15 by 9.5 centimeters, delivers high accuracy and fluid navigation, more than adequate for creators working without an external mouse. For display quality, Lenovo continues using a glossy IPS panel on the RTX 5090 configuration, a decision that sparks debate since glossy finishes can reflect light heavily. Yet the screen compensates with stunning color richness and factory calibration, nearly covering both Adobe RGB and Display P3, with a 240 Hz refresh rate, 3840 by 2400 resolution, and 440 nits of typical brightness. The screen delivers both vibrancy and clarity, ideal for competitive gaming and creative workflows. The audio system surpasses expectations with strong volume, notable bass presence, and no distortion at high levels. The 5-megapixels e-shutter webcam remains reliable for day-to-day communication. Performance is where the Legion 918 fully distinguishes itself. Lenovo pushes the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX with high PL1 and PL2 limits, resulting in benchmark scores that rival or exceed top competitors. In Cinebench R23 multi-core, the laptop scores 39,723 points, outperforming many similarly equipped systems, including the Strix Scar 18 and Alienware Area 5118. Single-core performance remains competitive, reaching 2,211 points. The RTX 5090 laptop GPU is the true highlight. In 3D Mark 11 performance tests, the Legion 918 achieves 80,022 points, surpassing not only average RTX 5090 laptops, but even leading models from Razer and Asus by several thousand points. Its 24 GB of GDDR7 VRAM ensures exceptional longevity for high-resolution gaming and 3D workloads. Real-world gaming further cements its dominance. Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty at ultra settings reaches an impressive 169.9 FPS, while GTA 5 maxed out records 183.9 FPS, both well above the RTX 5090 laptop average. Across all major benchmarks, the Legion 918 maintains a performance index of 96.7, rivaling even the best Alienware models. Thermal engineering is equally impressive, although the laptop idles warmer than average around 41 C. Full load temperatures remain remarkably low, with surfaces averaging around 32 C. The Samsung PM9E 12TB SSD reaches excellent read speeds of 9,340 MB and write speeds of 12,664 MB, though sustained. Thermal performance drops slightly compared to the RTX 5080 configuration.